We got a F21 error code on our washer. So I opened up the bottom here and I found this sheet and it was stuck to the side of the washer there. So it's telling me to check in here and this drain pump. It might be clogged with stuff. So I've got this pan here and I'm gonna try and pop this off. It's got these little rubber feet here. I'm gonna pull that out and unscrew this thing. All right, I got that unhooked. I'm gonna pull it out and unscrew this. All right, let's take this, undo this here. Comes the water.
Into the washer. Alright, we're gonna have to dump this one more time. These up there.
I think if I gotta do this again, I'll just get a shop vac here and have it running. Put the end of the shop vac hose right here, and just that probably would have been a lot quicker. All right. And that's it. Let's pull this. I'll take you to the side here. Let's see what's in store for us. Kind of scared to see what's in here. All right, here we go. Oh, gross. That is some nastiness. Yep. So there it is there. Big wad of, looks like a floor mat. Chunk of floor mat. Let's see what else is in there. Some kind of little sock. Piece of a toy. Yeah, there's some pretty wicked stuff in there. So let's get rid of this stuff. Looks like a little live animal. Pennies. A sock. Jeez. That's some gross, stinky stuff. I'll show you in here too. All else fails, get a, I don't know what's in there. Gross. I don't want to get it in this hole here though. So yeah, don't throw your floor mats in there. Pennies. I don't know how pennies could get in there. They're all stuck at the back, rusting out. Yeah, that's as much as I can get out. I think what I'll do is I'll put the plug back on and then plug the machine back in and see if it'll drain. Okay, so I'm gonna go give this thing a good washing, put it back in, and we'll turn the machine on. All right, so there's the the remnants of the pipe. We had some real like sock, some money, some little silky type things. So we cleaned it all out and I put the plug back in. So let's see what happens here. Okay. Rinse, drain, and spin. Yeah. It's 3 torque screws. It's the T20 to get those screws off. And there'll be one there, one there, one there on this cover here. It's just the front. Okay, so these things, they just slide in and then you push them down. Slide into a slot there. Of course, there's only going to be one that gives you a pain. There we go. Push them down, and then this one at the front, you just pull this. Just pull this tab back, and there, that's it. That's how it should look. Just like that. Okay? Alright, it's draining. Yeah, it's definitely draining. Hear it, and it's clean in there.